Welcome to Cuckoo coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to do stuff with the Minecraft Pi Edition API. I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, actually, I do know what is going on. Alright, let's start that over. I'm going to show you how to do stuff with the Minecraft Pi Edition API. Remember I've dug a big hole? Well, I was just replacing the block with nothing, but you can actually replace the block with whatever you want. So, I'm going to do that. I'm going to make it grow flowers around me and stuff. So, to get started, pop open Python. And I'm going to move this window. I'm going to make it very small because we don't need to look at it except for error messages, which I'm hoping we won't be getting. And let's click File. Let's click New File. I can't click on anything today. There we go. Alright, and let's shrink that so it's about half the screen. Let's close out of the other one. Use the scroll wheel here. And open a world in Minecraft Pi Edition. And get ready to write some Python. Alright, here we go. So, to start up, you have to initialize the API and all that stuff. So, from mcpi import Minecraft from time import sleep. Now, obviously you need to have this, but the reason you need to have from time import sleep is because we're having a while true loop. So it's going to do this forever. And if you don't wait in between each run, it's going to crash. And you don't want to crash your computer. Alright, while true with a capital T, colon, MC equals Minecraft with no capital M dot Minecraft with a capital M dot create open parentheses close parentheses, and that sets up the API and has a easy variable called MC. Enter and tabulate if it didn't do that automatically for you. And now x comma y comma z creates three variables called x, y, and z equals MC dot player with a capital P dot get tile with a capital T POS with a capital P open parentheses close parentheses. And what that does is the tile is what you are standing on. So if I click into the game here, see this sand looking stuff, I don't know what it's called. I think maybe it is actually just called sand. This white sandy looking stuff is my tile. I'm standing on this. And so it's getting its coordinates, not my coordinates. And finally, MC dot set block with a capital B, open parentheses x comma y comma z. Those are the coordinates that you want to set to the block. Comma, and then you have a number. There are a lot of, you have to have a number here. There are a lot of block IDs. So, red mushroom is 40. Cyan flower is 38. There's a big list. I'll put the link in the description. But I'm going to make it, let's make it gold. 41. Alright, and finally, sleep, open parentheses, 0.1, because you don't want to crash your computer. Awesome. So save that file. What should I call it? I'm going to call it gold. That's what I'm going to call it. Save and hit run module, and there's the shell window. Just close out of that again. Oops, wrong window. There we go. Go back to Minecraft, click into the game, and if all is well, you will be standing on gold. If not all is well, then you won't be. Let's find out. Seems like not all is well. So let me just close out of the game and let's find out what happened. Minecraft object has no attribute player. Alright, I know what the problem was. You weren't supposed to capitalize the P in player. Ha! I did that wrong. So save that again, hit run module, and close out of that shell, and if all is well, you will be standing on gold. Look at me, I'm standing on gold! Isn't that so amazing? Let me zoom out here. Look at, what the heck, that didn't work right. Alright, and it's making gold all around me. Isn't that cool? And I notice it's actually not making the gold under me, it's making it right where I am. So let's go y minus 1 so that it is where you're standing and not where you are. Let's run that again. So it's, one block below you, not where you are. And hop back into Minecraft. And now I am walking on gold. If I jump, I will fly up into the sky. And then, if this all works out, yes, it's working! I have created my own magical stairway of gold in the sky. This is pretty awesome. Whee! There you probably don't want to see me running around on gold for the rest of this video, so I'm going to do something else. Alright, so press tab to escape from Minecraft, and let's make the ground red mushrooms, because why not? So change that to tile 40. Change that number to 40, because that is the ID of red mushrooms. So save that, hit run module, close that shell, and oh no, I'm falling because mushrooms can't hold me up. Oh no, help, I'm gonna fall through the whole world. No, double tap space to fly. Ha. Whee! Alright, here we go. Let me just fly up here and fall. Awesome. And as you can see, it actually created mushrooms underneath me, which means I'll fall into a hole, which I don't want to happen. So press tab, and you're going to want to change this so that it's not y minus 1. You only want y minus 1 if it's something you can stand on, because otherwise it's going to be a hole in the ground if you're doing planty things. So run that again, and let's close out of that shell, and now this works right. Everywhere I go, I leave behind mushrooms. See? And I can even change that to 37 for yellow flower. Whoa, not that. That's not one. 37 for yellow flower. And there are tons of these. I will put a link in the description to all of them. And now it puts flowers down everywhere I go because I'm amazing. But it only puts down the flowers right where you are standing, not all around you. Let's fix that. And it's actually not that hard. Just copy this line and paste it in to the code a few times. And then let's do x minus 1, z minus 1, x minus 2, z, x, and then z minus 3. And now it'll put the flowers like all around you, which will be even cooler. So run that module, close that. Why are there 2 shell windows now? I don't know. And oh, there's an unexpected indent because pasting is weird. So just fix that by unindenting everything, save that, and run it again. Alright, close that out, go back to Minecraft and walk. And now, whoa, there are flowers everywhere I go. Look at all these flowers I'm leaving behind. There are flowers in the sky and if you fly, which is fun, you can make it rain flowers everywhere you go. Isn't that awesome? Whee! Look at all those flowers I just planted everywhere. This is so much fun. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. buy my merch and making these videos is hard. So you should leave a comment so that like recommending something I should do so that I don't have to think up something new every week because it's hard. You try it. I can do something easier. I can make Blender tutorials. Alright, so have the default scene in Blender, but we're not going to need any of this stuff, so press A to select all, and then press X to delete. And now to get started, let's add in a cube right there, and we'll add in a spot lamp right there. Sorry, a point. Yes, let's put that right there. And we'll add in right about here. We will add in a camera and let's rotate it a bit so that it is facing that way. And let's actually move it, whoops, let's move it a bit this way, like that. There we go. And switch that to cycles render, and let's give that a render. Alright, 20 hours later and our render is done. As you can see, we have a gorgeous gray cube. Or bad song parodies.
Fortnite.
I don't feel like it. Okay. And now you get to watch me run around while it rains flowers. Ooh, flowers can grow underwater. And it glitches when I do that. Wee, flowers. I'm like the flower god. Wee. And sorry about my low frame rate. Recording Minecraft Pi Edition is actually tricky. So remember nothing. Your brain should be empty.